Is it? Oh.
Yeah, I saw a flash of lightning over there.
I saw it
Oh, did you see that one?
just now.
Yeah. So it's coming our way.
Yes.
I don't know if she knows her van's running or not. Supposed to be coming back out from it.
I saw another one over
See,
there.
there was another one. Who's filming it? Hold it up so you can get a good shot. Oh, I see it. It's like every 5 minutes you see a flash. Look how dark it is.
Dark.
Oh, see that?
I saw that one.
Oh shit, you didn't shut the door. He's got the air conditionings running.
Oh, well. Let's go back and...
Let's take a picture of all, like the...
What happened?
Look at that, look at the can. Look at it, looks like a squirrel. See? Does it look like a candy squirrel, like you see it on a lollipop? See that?
No, but,
yeah.
Well.
See, it's going over there. At least 5 times since we've been out here.
It's gonna
rain. There was another one. It's gonna
start raining soon.
Oh, you see that one?
Like later on.
Yeah.
It's gonna start raining like
it's coming. See, it's consistently over down there. That was a double one. One at the top. No, one at the bottom, one at the top. So warm.
So the storm is coming to start.
It is coming.
Like last time.
Look at the markings on that one. It looks really weird. It looks like a eyeball.
Just like
see, every 5 minutes. It's consistently going.
It's just like the last time. It was the thunderstorms. It's just a thunderstorm. Last time we're just over there.
Yeah. Oh, that was good.
Missed. The store open still.
Yeah. I don't like that even knows. See, it's consistent, so it's coming. Just hold it up so you can get a good one.
Like that?
You're counting. See that? Oh, that's a double one! That was nice. You see it?
Yeah.
That's only the beginning, but once it comes over here, it's going to be even more. See? Look at that. It's like double flashing. It's hard to see with all those friggin' lights on there. See? Down at the bottom, above the trees, and then at the top, you'll see more. I move back this way more, you can see more. Oh, it's light up, I move back. Like the sky there. It's getting stronger now, bud. Because before it was just like little tiny flashes. Now they're getting bigger. See? It's like somebody's turning on a switch, going. It's like somebody's turning on a switch. Oh, I hear thunder. You hear it? It's starting to rumble now.
It's coming around.
It's like what? 8:30, 9 o'clock?
It's be pouring down rain in a minute, like later on.
8:59, basically 9 o'clock. And it's supposed to end late tonight, like probably 4 in the morning maybe. Or sooner. Could be just a quick storm for all we know, but it's getting closer now. It's consistent even more. Birds. Oh, weird. The wind's picked up. The birds are flying away. They're freaking out. Who's Carla? Oh, he's walking.
What?
Rain or shine, hail or snow, she's out. It's here now. Look how dark that cloud is. Wow. God's gonna be playing his drums soon. He's got his disco lights going. That looks like a crazy creature.
Alright.
Looks like Thor holding up his hammer. That's the arm, a head, his body, and his other arm's going that way. Like he's. You see what I'm saying?
No.
Yeah. It looks like a head. There's an arm going that way. His middle body, and then his arm going up that way. Holy crap, look how dark it is up there, bud. That's within, like, what, 10 minutes of us being out here?
Maybe.
Holy hell. That's just freaking crazy.
We live way down there. And it's just really dark.
Yeah. It's like, it looks like it's like fucking 12:30 at nighttime or something. But, yeah. I bet it's going to start raining soon. Look how freaking dirty. Tornado weather's coming. That's what we're supposed to get. See, it's not so bad over here, but it's coming. It's coming across this way.
That's more darker cloud than over there.
I know. See how these clouds are forming? And one of these clouds can form into the funnel. You know. Oh. The darker the clouds are, the brighter you can see the lightning. Oh. It's like one of the angels are turning on the light switch, shutting it back off.
Oh.
Hey? Oh, that's even better. You see that one?
Next thing you know, it'll be a thinner.
Do one of these. Really, like, it's getting brighter. That cloud's just getting bigger. You need to back up and get that whole huge dark cloud. Hey, bud.
What?
Get that whole huge dark cloud. How big it is.
That big one. Everything.
Yeah. Like, start from that corner.
Wow.
And go all the way around like this. That's where it's coming from.
See the up behind the trees.
Come to watch the lightning show? Oh yeah. Since I've been out here for like 15 minutes, the lightning streaks have consistent. Look how dark those clouds are. Coming. Oh, stop it. Oh, it's coming.
Okay.
Look. There you go.
I saw it.
Did ya?
Yeah.
It came in pretty fast in the last 15 minutes that I've been out here. I hope nothing blows away in our yard.
Or the power.
I just kind of like put some stuff off the table and folded up the umbrella.
I'm worried for all my garden. I got so many flowers. My poor umbrella might fly away again last year. It's broken half. Mike, you see it? Better hope we have lots of flashlights and candles.
We're hoping there was no power. Probably will.
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's gonna be like middle of the night, no power.
Like last year's storm? Like, look right here. If you film right here, like, look how fast it's moving.
I was gonna take a picture there.
Oh, Polly, you missed a good one.
There. That was.
I already heard it thundered only once. So.
And,
Hey, Chicky. Come to enjoy the breeze?
Yeah.
Nice.
okay.
See, it all started this way, past the bridge. Now it's all coming this way.
And is it in?
Oh, it's in behind those trees over there.
I know.
Oh, that's a good one.
I just zoomed in.
Yeah. You zoom out. Up there. Look at this one. This dark little cloud here. It's got like a light white cloud in the very center, like a hand, like an angel's hand. Like God's hand.
That one's more dark than that.
Oh, oh. Yeah. Oh, I saw that flash. The wind's trying to blow me away now. Look that, it's that warm wind. It feels good in a way, but this is the type of cloud that you see that goes over the lake or the oceans.
We have a good thunderstorm back
We rarely get
in the days.
we rarely get any good thunderstorms.
Back in the days, we were
That's a good one.
living in Lansdowne. We have good thunderstorms.
Mm-hmm. Well, they don't last too long. Okay. Except for this one, it's going to be pretty good. But you should have been out here 20 minutes ago. Because over the bridge, it was just slightly dark.
Yeah.
And we stayed out here for a good, 20 minutes, and we watched the black clouds come this way. And every 5 minutes, you'll see a flat like that. Now it's consistent even more.
Really?
So, yeah. You missed the different clouds with all the swirls in it.
Really?
Like, look really neat. One kind of looked like an eyeball. Look, you know how like my cutter has a blade in it? It looks kind of like
Triangle.
this.
Yeah.
It had that, like a weird blade looking thing to it. And now over here, it's got a black cloud with a
Well, you can see
But
from
look
back.
at the shapes inside the black.
You can see from back here too.
Yeah, but that's nothing because it's all coming from down there.
Yeah.
It's coming up this way.
Yeah.
But that wind was warm, eh?
I know.
So nice.
Mhm.
Me and Paul just watched it got dark so fast. It's literally moving.
Yeah.
Really fast.
It's not booming.
Oh, only once I heard it boom. But that's coming. Once it gets fully over and
Yeah.
it's so dark, you'll start hearing thunder later on.
Yeah.
Like probably, 10, 11, 12, might hear a little more booming maybe. Just looking at it, you can't really tell how fast it's moving, but if you look over there,
It's going this way.
yeah, it's all going this way, so it's going basically over that tree. It's going in that direction.
Yeah.
Oh! I worry about those tree branches breaking off and
I know.
falling on those cars.
It's raining. It's raining now.
I can feel it. It's running over.
And they let him a forehead.
Woo! I feel like flying away.
I know. Oh, you know, Paul and I are like right no socks.
And no shoes.
And that's
I know,
okay.
right? Well, I'm in my pajamas.
Doesn't look like green shoes. Whoa. Get the edge of that darkness, bud. You need to see the difference of how dark it is. Get over there. Here.
Let's go circles.
Yeah, over there. Oh my god, look at that tree. I lose my balance so easy because of my ankle.
Oh, congratulations.
Converter. Get that over there. Look at the difference over there. Because the rain. Yay.
Run the shampoo.
Oh my god. That's a good flash. Because I got my coat on and it's open, acting like a parachute. It was a bug. Someone just dinged your car, eh?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, the shovel fell.
Yeah. I would just lay that flat, yeah. I hope he doesn't lose his tarp.
No.
Because Derek left. I hope he doesn't lose his tarp.
I felt dirt in my
Here comes the rain. Just a little bit. Four, three, two, one. See, it's all behind those trees now. On the fridge!
Black
The
light.
green one.
Black light.
There's one in the basement, in the pantry. Paul's got one. I have one.
Everybody got lights
One in my bedroom.
in the shop.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! You see that one?
Camera facing the thing over there.
Oh, the hair in my eye. My TV turned off a long time ago, thank goodness.
What's that?
Holy shit, that was good.
What?
Oh, I like that one too.
No.
Yeah. If those trees weren't so big, you can see a lot of it over there. Maybe go maybe more this way. You can see more of it. Yeah, like that one. See that? Because all those trees are so freaking big now. But you get more of it in this corner here and all across here. But these trees are growing so fast. Look at that. Look at the swirlies under there. What?
So whirly.
Oh! It's over here now.
Look at
It's right over here.
that.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. At any point in time, the clouds under here turn into a swirly. You never know, but. Oh, right there. I saw it in the corner of my eye. Nice. I work with these big trees that branches get blown off or snapping off, going on the cars. Awesome.
Okay.
Alright. Doesn't bug me none. Go on. I'll watch it from my room, Paul. Go watch it from my bed. Yeah. Turn it on for a little bit. And then, TV's off. Yeah, I know.
I love it.
Unplug it from the wall there. Unplug my fan from the wall. Hope Derek doesn't lose his. What's happening? Big ones.
What she says.
Put this laundry away if I can.
Looks like cool breeze in there. Oh, there's. It's never changing now because there's still cool breeze right there.
Yeah.
Let me just look if I don't get knocked out. It's over that way now, too. That's a wicked lightning every time, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a weird one.
I saw
Seen that
that.
one?
I saw that.
Oh, over there. There's a good one over there. That's over there. There's a good one.
Blue and purple lightning. Heard a lightning struck a volcano. Heard a lightning struck a volcano somewhere.
Alright.
The pimple.
Alright, Friday dog.
I'm watching the show too. You look like very interested.
Slice this position so you can look around. Right, is this one? You can look around good? Don't lick the window. You dung dong. Dung dong. You dung dong. Don't lick the window. It's usually sleep right now.
Ew. Ow. Ow.
We can watch. We can run the window. Oh, if that was up there, we couldn't see it. Lightning streak was way up here, but it just like
Oh, it's right next to the pole.
couldn't see it because it's so high up. Give it looking like we're on the friggin' house.
Yeah.
Now it's raining
Now
faster.
it's raining again.
Being faster.
I think mine's going on an angle that way, not this way, because they might go on my
It's not an
van.
angle.
There was good things going that way, not this way. That van windows open, remember?
That person's getting like way drenched. You missed it.
Good thing the rain's going that way. Because if it's going this way, it get rid of my window, my van. Luckily it's going on an angle that way, so hope it go in that window. The wind's blowing that way too, so. Oh, that was a good one over there. Missed it all. Big streak.
I saw it.
Behind the trees over there.
Don't lick the window.
Quit licking the window. You don't need to lick the window.
It's called
That water, you can't get it. She thinks there's a water in the window that
I
she can
know.
lick it. It's on the other side of the window. You can't lick that, man.
window cleaner.
Yeah. I had to clean the window tomorrow with her dog will lick out the window. Well, yeah, I've seen the show now. It's cool, but
Yeah, but it's
still warm here. Okay, see? This is what I said when we shut the door. I look back and it's like 3 loops of lightning.
Oh.
Oh, there's a good one. As I shut the door, all of a sudden it's freaking like making lightning loops. I'm like, it's like lightning shows over. Should I say that? And all of a sudden it's like, no, it's not.
Holy smoke.
Holy, that was blinding.
Oh, wow.
It was a quick rain and go down again. Well, it's still rain for you, that light.
Oh.
Yeah, well, keep up so I can see.
I think we got one.
Oh, shit. That's a huge fucking bug. Is that a moth, Paul? Don't touch it. Don't touch it and make it fly.
That's a big ass bug.
I know that's what she says all the time. That I just noticed it. I just noticed it.